How to fix microphone keeps muting itself on Windows 11. To fix microphone keeps muting itself on Windows 11, try 1. Enable Do Nothing in the Communications tab under Sound Settings. 2. Check for potential virus. And malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 3. Stop SCOST process via Task Manager. 4. Update, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, roll back or reinstall driver. 5. Run your Windows in its clean boot.